The year 2025 has brought an exciting revolution in the world of scooters, and one of the most talked about two-wheelers this year is none other than the Honda Dio Scooty. Known for its stylish design, youthful energy, and practical performance, the new Honda Dio has once again proven why it continues to dominate the market among young riders, college students, and city commuters. In this video, we dive deep into every aspect of the 2025 Honda Dio to show you exactly why this Scooty is creating so much buzz worldwide. From the very first look, the Honda Dio grabs attention with its sporty and aggressive design. The sharp LED headlamps, sleek body panels, and bold graphics give it a modern edge that resonates with the new generation. Honda has carefully worked on its aerodynamics, ensuring that the Scooty not only looks stylish but also cuts smoothly through traffic. The 2025 model comes in vibrant new color options that allow every rider to choose a style that matches their personality, making it more than just a ride, it's a statement on the road. Under the skin, the Honda Dio 2025 is powered by Honda's reliable and fuel-efficient 110 cubic centimeters BS6 engine, which has been refined to deliver smoother acceleration and improved mileage. Riders will immediately notice the difference in the new enhanced smart power technology that not only boosts performance but also ensures better fuel economy. For city rides, this Scooty is light, quick, and responsive, making it an ideal companion for weaving through congested roads without any hassle. Another highlight of the 2025 Honda Dio is the comfort and convenience it offers. Honda has upgraded the suspension system for smoother rides, even on bumpy roads. The seat is broader and more comfortable for both the rider and pillion, ensuring longer rides don't feel tiring. The under-seat storage is spacious enough to fit a helmet or a backpack, making it a practical option for students and working professionals. Additionally, features like the external fuel filling cap, digital instrument cluster with real-time mileage indicators, and mobile charging socket make it a perfect fit for modern lifestyles. Safety is another area where Honda has put in significant effort. The Dio comes equipped with a combined braking system that ensures controlled and balanced braking. The 12-inch front wheel adds more stability, and the tubeless tires reduce the chances of sudden punctures. The Scooty is designed with both beginners and experienced riders in mind, offering a confidence-boosting ride every single time. Now, let's talk about one of the most attractive factors, the price. The Honda Dio has always been popular because of its affordable price tag, and the 2025 edition continues this legacy. It offers premium features and performance at a cost that is within reach of young riders and families alike. Considering its mileage, reliability, and Honda's after-sales service, it is undoubtedly one of the best value-for-money scooters.